using the highest quality durable ABS material with chrome plating to meet the highest standards of quality. Self-cleaning nozzles makes your maintenance simple. Compared with normal shower, you will have powerful spraying experience and even suitable for low water pressure condition. There are 3 setting spray modes: normal, powerful massage, and mixed spray. Ergonomic grip handle and angle adjustable swivel ball bracket brings you a shower experience that relaxes, refreshes, and rejuvenates. Ratchet mechanism click button meets 12,000 cycles lifespan test. A super flexible stainless steel hose. Its quality construction refuses all the leaking and winding. The shower head certified by CUPC and WaterSense saves over 20% water and energy.
Today I'm going to show you how to install your Breout 5-function handheld shower set. It's very easy to install and doesn't require any tools. Everything you need comes in the box. So you have what hooks up to the wall itself, some washers to prevent the flow of water outside and prevent leaking, Teflon tape, and the shower head itself, as well as the hose. 2.5 GPM flow restrictor already installed in the handheld shower head.
The Breout handheld shower head is made of a high-quality ABS plastic material with elegant electroplating technology. It's lightweight, durable, lead-free, non-toxic, fade-proof, and rust-proof. The shower head can be handheld or used over the head, and it has 5 different functions. The first step for installing your shower head is to wrap the Teflon tape around the threads of the shower arm. Next, place the first rubber washer in the shower bracket and screw the bracket gently onto the shower arm. Using another rubber washer, connect the steel hose hex nut onto the shower bracket. It's normal for some threading on the shower bracket to remain exposed. Before installing the shower head, remove the plastic cover. Using the third and final rubber washer, connect the shower head onto the far end of the steel hose. If needed, the flow restrictor can be removed using tweezers to increase the rate of flow.